हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डेली शॉर्ट हैंड प्रैक्टिस में 80 WPM पे डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे। सो गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। द रिव्यू petitioners आर लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ डिफेंडेंट इन स्पेशल सिविल सूट नंबर 102 स्टॉप। The respondents are legal representatives of plaintiff in the aforesaid civil suit stop. The parties will hereinafter be referred to as plaintiff and defendant stop. The plaintiff and defendant had entered into an agreement of sale with respect to suit property which comprises of house situated in the layout of Revenue Department Subordinate Cooperative Housing Society Limited stop. The total sale consideration under the agreement was rupees 45,000 stop. The defendant purchaser has paid entire agreed sale consideration to the plaintiff vendor stop. The defendant purchaser was also placed in possession of the suit property by the plaintiff stop. These facts are not in dispute stop. In order to complete the sale transaction, no objection from the society was needed stop. The agreement provided that the plaintiff vendor shall make appropriate application seeking permission for transfer of the suit property in favor of defendant purchaser, and in the event such permission was not received within a period of 2 years, the plaintiff vendor shall refund amount to the defendant purchaser, who will return the possession of the suit property to the plaintiff vendor stop para. The plaintiff had made application seeking permission to transfer the land on 2 occasions stop. Both these applications were rejected stop. The defendant purchaser also filed application for seeking permission, which was also rejected stop. In this backdrop, the plaintiff filed special civil suit for recovery of possession stop. The defendant opposed the suit by filing written statement and contended that the plaintiff deliberately did not make compliance of the condition in the agreement for obtaining permission stop. The learned trial court decreed the suit in view of the covenant in the agreement that if for any reason the transaction is required to be cancelled, the plaintiff vendor will return amount to the defendant purchaser, and defendant purchaser will deliver possession of the suit house to the plaintiff vendor stop. The learned trial court has held that the agreement had become void in view of rejection of application seeking permission for transfer of the suit property stop para. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid decree passed by the learned joint civil judge senior division in special civil suit, the defendant filed appeal being regular civil appeal stop. The said appeal came to be allowed wide judgment and decree passed by the learned additional district judge stop. The learned first appellate court has held that vendor plaintiff deliberately did not make application seeking permission to the competent authority within the prescribed time period, and that the suit was also barred by limitation stop.